So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Cricut maker, so stay tuned and we'll see. Hi guys, this is Catherine. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the Cricut maker. I wanted to add some new equipment to my office, and I've been wanting to get a new cutting machine for a long time. So I decided to just go ahead and get it on a whim, and I went with the Cricut maker. So the reason why I got the Cricut maker is because I read online that it can handle thicker material. You can cut wood and fabric. And I also went with the maker because I heard that it was a quieter machine. So I don't know for sure because I've never used one before. I've been using a different brand of machine, so this will be a new experience, and I just wanted to show everything that comes in the box. So I bought the bundle. So let's just go ahead and open the first box. So this is the accessory kit. And it's a pretty big box. I was surprised at everything that was sent to me. I thought it would all come in one box, but it all came in the same day with the same courier. So that's always a treat, because sometimes the packages, they get split up and then you have to wait a few days for the next, but it all came all at once. And the shipping was fast. I got it from the Cricut store online, and the shipping took about a week, and it was delivered right to my door. I didn't have to go to, it was delivered by FedEx, and they came right to my door. I didn't have to go to a depot. So this is the premium fine point blade and housing. This is the bonded fabric blade and housing. Washable fabric pen. This is great. These I use all the time. And the deep point blade and housing. And this is the sewing toolkit. It includes fabric scissors, thread snips, seam ripper, pin cushion, measuring tape, and leather thimble. And I also got, let's see what's included here. So this is the variety pack, 12 by 24 inch. So there's 3 mats in the first one. So it's always good to have extra mats. I find I go through at least 1 mat a year. And this is the fabric grip. So I guess I got the sewing kit. I actually thought I was getting the tool bundle. So I guess I was too impulsive. I thought I was getting the one with all the little things for for weeding the vinyl. But that's okay. So I just moved all the other stuff out of the way just because I just have a small table. And now I'm going to open up the maker box. So just before I continue, so what I paid for the entire kit was $441 in American for the maker with the accessory kit. And I'll make sure to put a link below of all the products that I'm mentioning, and also they have several promotions, so make sure to visit their store to see what's coming up for all the different sales. And if you've been enjoying my video so far, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below. I make sure to answer all the comments. Oh, wow. So there you go. So it's a box in a box. So if you're really into sewing, this could be a real plus for you. The first thing you see is this once you open the box. To begin, go to cricut.com/setup. Materials for your first projects. So it's got a nice embossing, nice seal. So it's got some test material. Open Me First. They're really hands-on. They walk you through the whole setup, which is great. There's no guessing. And then here is the welcome book. So I won't go through it all. Talks about I think it's for inspiration, to inspire you. And here is a rotary blade. So that's super cool. Comes with the cap, power cord. I think this is a marker, and the warranty. So here's some more cutting mats. These are the 12 by 12 side, fabric and a regular mat. I'm just going to unwrap the maker. And it's really well packaged. So I'm just going to open it. Ooh. So, looks like there's a couple, oh, I see that. The marker goes here. So, it's got some compartments. So I guess what's next is to plug it in and give it a try. So here's a quick recap of everything that was included. So there you go. And so if you are thinking about getting a Cricut maker, or just check below in the description. I'll make sure to put a link to everything that I unboxed today. And if you've been enjoying my videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.